Hi friends, let me show you this motion sensor garage light that I received for reviewing purposes. I'm going to test it here so you can see the brightness of it. You can use it anywhere indoors you want, in the attic, in your warehouse, in your tools room, in your pantry, wherever you need a bright light with a sensor, movement sensor, okay? As you can see, you can install it in a regular light bulb socket. It has 6 arms with LED lights. Okay, let's try it. Okay, you can see it's really bright. Okay, it has a motion sensor, so it's on right now because I am here. We are going to wait a little bit so it turns off, and that's it. You can see how with a movement it turns on. Let's wait for a second. You see it turn off, so I'm going to walk. You see it detects my motion and it turns on. Also, let me tell you that you can adjust each of the 6 panels so you can move the light where you need it. Okay. You could do something like that so you have more light in the upper part, or like this if you don't want light in the top part, okay? Or you could have just some of them like that, and you will have light down and to the sides, okay? So it's so easy to use, to install. You get a really, really bright LED light wherever you need it, and you just have to leave the switch on. The lamp will turn on when it senses movement, okay? Perfect, thank you.